Hi everyone, and welcome to Ohio Valley Couponer. So today I'm here with this awesome Kroger 2-day sale. For today, it is October the 12th of 2018. Yes, I didn't say August again. I don't know if any of you caught in my video from Wednesday. I said it was August the 10th. Totally didn't mean that. I don't know. I don't know where that came from. It was kind of hot here, so maybe that was why I thought it was August. But no, it is October the 12th of 2018. The sale will run from October the 12th through October the 13th. As always, there are 5 times digital coupons you load to your card. You have to use them 5 times. You can use them up to 5 times in a single transaction. You don't have to buy 5. But if you want to buy 5, make sure to do it all in the same transaction or you'll lose your coupon. So yeah, if you have manufacturer coupons, you can stack it with this. I don't think there are any available for these items, but I don't know. I might be wrong. But there are some pretty good deals out there on these products. So yeah, let's just dive right in. Oh wait, just a second before we get into these deals. If you haven't already seen my other Kroger videos, you need to go check that out right now because there are some crazy good deals at Kroger with our current buy 5 save 5 mega event. So you should go check that out because the deals are just really crazy on that buy 5 save 5 mega event. I did 2 videos all about it. So go, if you click the little eye in the top right corner, or if you want to wait till the end screen of this video, you can get to that. And don't forget to load your free Friday today. It's a free Uncle Ben's Ready Rice. So now let's just dive right in. All right, first up, 99 cents for the Oscar Mayer Lunchables. These are the ones with the drinks and little candy bars in them. These are a full-on lunch, I guess. So that's a pretty good price. Good for kids and school lunches and everything, or if you just like Lunchables, which I totally do. So if that's something you want, go for that. It's a good deal. 50 cents for the Trolley Sour gummies or the Black Forest gummy bears. That's a really good deal. And then here we have $1.99 for Private Selection ice cream or the Simple Truth low cal ice cream. $1.99. And then Lee here on YouTube commented, and this was just getting me hungry. She suggested getting this Private Selection ice cream and having it with apple pie. And when I read that comment, I just started craving apple pie. So yeah, if you're wanting some apple pie, get yourself some of this vanilla ice cream to go along with it because that's a pretty good $1.99 is a pretty good price for that. So yeah, that is all that I have for this video. Check out these other videos if you haven't already. I'm sorry I kind of rambled on a little bit in this video. Just wanted to give you the information about these great Kroger deals and some other ones you can grab. So yeah, thank you so much for watching.